أعزائي الحضور بدأ لكن شوكة وهو المبتدع في هذا السباق في سرعة 361 كيلومتر في الساعة من ضوابط بداية هذا السباق، ويعود للمرور في هذه البوابات والعود بطريقة سليمة إلى البوابة رقم 5 عن طريق باب أنجوى أن يعود إلى بوابة NBC.
Well, we get it on split time here. What did you go to the start gate switched up on the big screen? There's the time showing 39.94. So halfway around the course and doing a 39. Beautiful control going through the chicane. Now this is what I'm talking about, Ollie.
ये नहीं रहा बिल्कुल
7-8 gears passing the top. Everyone rolls out. And then look up on the screen, the next split time of 101.45 meters a night gauge. Flick the aircraft to the left, flick back to the right in reverse, pull back on the stick and feel the power of that aircraft as it pulls you. 540 like Tiny engine pulling in through the air, and the last second to last gate, the NBC action gate, safely negotiated, and here we go, the first time for the Abu Dhabi race laid down is going to be a 124.3. Number 8 Chonka, 1 minute 24.30 seconds, 2 seconds in penalties for incorrect level gate 8.